Alright, so this is gonna be a quick test on the Lenovo X1 Carbon Gen 10 to actually export a normal video that I usually do. And right now it is plugged in, and I did edit a full video where I generally make the custom ROM kind of videos. And here I have already edited one, and this is a 17 minute 40 seconds of timeline. And on this I have effects, I have multiple layers of footages, and of course with Canon 200D and stuff. So I'm gonna just export this in a HEVC preset with 16 Mbps bitrate, and that is, you can guess, H.264 is about 32 Mbps. So yeah, I'm gonna export this right now. So that took about 15 minutes. If you want to watch the full review of the Lenovo X1 Carbon Gen 10, you can do that from the description. Thank you for watching. This is Tito from KTNTECH signing off, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one.